Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Hootsuite streams with approval workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Hootsuite streams with approval workflow, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your social media profiles. Locate the stream you wish to set up an approval workflow for. Click on the settings icon represented by a gear symbol within the stream. Select the option for approval workflow from the drop-down menu. Next, you will see a prompt to enable the approval workflow feature. Turn on the approval workflow by toggling the switch to the active position. Once activated, you can add team members who will be required to approve posts. Choose the users you want to include in the approval process from your team list. Confirm your selections to finalize the team members included in the workflow. Now, navigate back to the stream where you'll be creating posts. Begin composing your social media post as you normally would. Before publishing the post, ensure to click on the Send for Approval option. This sends your post to the designated approvers for their review. Approvers will receive notifications about the pending approval posts. They can review the content directly from their Hootsuite dashboard. After reviewing, approvers can choose to either approve or reject the post. If they approve, the post will be scheduled for publishing as intended. In case of rejection, the post will return to you with feedback for revisions. Make necessary changes based on the feedback provided by approvers. Once revisions are complete, send the post again for approval. Continue this process until the post is approved and scheduled. Periodically check the approval status of your posts in the workflow. Utilize the reporting features to monitor the efficiency of the approval process. By following these steps, you can effectively verify Hootsuite streams with an approval workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.